This is DJI Neo, and today I'll show how you can rename your aircraft's or drone's hotspot or Wi-Fi network on this device. So in the beginning, you will need to launch the DJI Fly app and enter the camera view, or simply press the Go Fly button inside the application. Now go into Settings, More Settings. At the top, select the About section, and in front of a Wi-Fi name, press the pencil icon. Now set the hotspot name to be whatever you want it to be. Then press the OK button to save. So I should remove the space here, I guess. Yep. And now it is successfully changed. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.